Hey guys, welcome back to another video and a happy Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. It is Christmas morning. We just finished opening gifts here. And I got the gift that I wanted the most. I got my quarter fairing for my 2020 Lowrider S. It is just a beauty. It's just awesome. So I'm just gonna put it together now. It brings all these little nuts and bolts here, which I gotta put together onto this part right here. Only thing is that I'm just gonna have to buy a bracket now because I know for these parts, I can't just install this fairing on. Oh snap. I gotta buy the bracket totally separate, which goes behind here and goes attached to the bike. So I'm gonna see if I can just order that from Harley this week, or maybe I could just pass by tomorrow and order that. So yeah, that was a gift from my wife. And she also got me this nice little chalkboard coat hook for the garage as well, which is pretty nice. Pretty cool. I like the details on it. So be able to write on here with chalk. I'm able to hang up my helmets or my coats, whatever I want on here. So I'll probably be installing this in the garage this week as well. And on top of that, I got what else I really wanted, which was my tool drawer set. So instead of having these little random tools that I have laying around in the garage, just on the floor, I could just put them in here and have everything nice, neat, and clean. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? You can't put Play-Doh on the fairing. That's gonna be it, guys. I just want to make a quick little video. Just wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. I will be doing this install video later on this week as soon as I receive in the bracket to install it. And I cannot wait to see how the bike is gonna look with this. It's gonna give it such an aggressive look. So nice. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go into the garage right now and show you guys exactly how this fairing is gonna look on the bike. Give you guys a little view of it. So as you can see, this is the bikini fairing that the bike comes with from stock. And if you put it next to the fairing that I just got for Christmas, it is such a huge difference. It's way bigger. It's going to be able to wrap around the forks right here, which this one doesn't, giving it a more aggressive look. And basically, this is what you can expect the bike to kind of look like once I put the fairing on. Super cool. It's going to wrap right around the forks, giving it such a aggressive look. It's going to be sitting up higher. Man, I cannot wait to install this thing. It's going to look so cool. Got my battery tender plugged in right there, so the bike is nice and just nice and warm, ready for a ride. And today's actually a really nice day. I wish I was able to go out today, but I gotta go pick up my my son right now, bring it back home, and we're just gonna spend the day at home watching Christmas movies, and that's it. Like I said before, I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas. Thank you so much for your viewers. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload a new video. This is my 2020 Lowrider S, guys. Lots and lots of parts coming for this bike soon. So tune in, subscribe, and like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.